Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's Eid! Eid is finally here. Eid Mubarak to my fellow Muslims. Eid Mubarak to humanity. Eid Mubarak to everyone in the universe. Yeah, I'm so excited, I'll just rip off my hat. You know, Eid is a special time. It's a special time to be with your families. And you know, ladies and gentlemen, I urge each and every one of you to go to the masjid. You know, go to the masjid and you know what? Make salah as a group in the special early morning Eid prayer at the masjid. And I would also recommend this. When you're at the masjid, ladies and gentlemen, turn around to your neighbour and say Assalamu alaikum, Eid Mubarak to your next door neighbour. Shake hands, you know, fellas, shake hands with the guy next to you. Get to know them, get to know your fellow Muslim. I urge each and every one of you, bond with your fellow Muslim, get to know your fellow Muslim. Why? Because they are your brothers and sisters in Islam. You know, ladies and gentlemen, turn to whoever's beside you and just say, hi, my name's so-and-so. And just feel like, Eid Mubarak, I'm wishing you the best of good deeds and good tidings in the following, you know, in this year and next year and in the great beyond. You know, because this is a special time of year. And I urge each and every one of you, take every advantage Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving you. And remember Ya Rabbal Alameen. Keep up the good work that you did in Ramadan as well. Ramadan may be over until next year, but keep up the good work throughout the year. Why? Because Allah only knows if we'll be alive next year. I know, to get real, at the beginning it was all serious, you know, beginning it's all fun, but now we're going to get serious. We don't know if we will see next Ramadan. We don't know when our life will end. We can just be walking out the front door and boom, we're over. And you know what? If you haven't kept up the goodness of Ramadan throughout the year, you'll be losing out in the Akhirah. You know, the dunya is only temporary, we all know that, but the Akhirah is for eternity. So I urge each and every one of you, keep up the goodness of Ramadan, keep it up in the dunya throughout the year. Until next year, we'll be seeing you again. My name's Abdul Karim. I'll be seeing you again next Ramadan. Wait, what? No. I'll be here next week. Don't worry, I'm always about, and you guys might have questioned. You remember I made a video way back, a month and a half before Ramadan, saying to grow a beard. And you guys might have noticed that my beard hasn't grown much, even though I'm shooting these every day. Well, I apologise to burst your bubble, but I don't shoot these every day. I shoot them, like I shoot a lot of videos all at once and just edit them over time, because they do take a while to edit. But so if that's why you're wondering why I haven't grown a beard or anything, then now you know. But anyway, to the main point, remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Keep up the goodness. I'm proud of all of you. And thank you. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe in the section below. And remember, come to goodness. I don't have to tell you now, because you probably got it already. I've said it every day for 30 days. But come to goodness, come.